What's up, guys? Mark here, Wired Kustoms Motorsports 2024 Chevrolet Silverado, just from the dealer to us for these electric steps. After we do this, we're going to knock out a stereo system for him. Stay tuned for that one. So if I haven't already told you how clean this truck is, it is super clean. This is the wire harness. It's going to plug into the steps and then give us power and ground. And they get their movement and their triggers from the OBD2. There's a plug that's going to plug into the OBD2 port to allow these to function properly when you open up the right or the left. The right will open or the left will open up. You know that noise. Oh man, Jim.